If you guys are anything like me, you watch videos on YouTube every now and then. They talk about zip ties, the importance of flush cutters, and how these are terrible. You got just a piece of Romex here, zip ties. Now, you can take them, zip them on there, clip them off like that, but that leaves you with this little sharp, gut you open on accident type of deal. They always talk about flush cutters and how you have to have them. Well, I don't think you need to have them. I think all you need is a utility knife of some sort. And if you're like me, carry one of these with you every single day. Now this one, the blade is kind of crap, so got a fresh blade here. Don't buy the cheap ones. You'll regret it. I used to be one of those people. I used to buy the cheap ones. Terrible idea. So now that you got that sucker in there good, and this thing is nice and sharp, this is what I do. Because like I said, this is in my pocket every single day at work. So when I need to do zip ties, this is how I handle it. I go over here. Very little work. Thing is gone. It's underneath the surface. Works pretty good. Say it again. Got my zip tie on there. All I do, just set it there. That's not very tight. There we go. Got it there. Set it on there. I just take it right through there. No big deal. Easy as can be. No flush cutters. Yes, they are nice and easy, but that's just something extra you have to have with you. So you can just slice through them like that. Pretty easy. That's all I got for you.